This is MOFT, the lightest adhesive laptop stand around, tailored perfectly for mobile working. It's practically invisible, but still comforts your neck and shoulders anywhere you work. The MOFT stand is as light as a pen and thin as a coin. Simply fold it when you need and unfold it when you're on the go. No need to carry around anything extra in your bag. With 2 elevation adjustments, MOFT optimizes your sitting posture, reducing neck pain and soothing your wrist when typing. Take discomfort completely out of your work. The unique material and triangular structure makes it capable of holding up to 18 pounds. The removable plastic means it's detachable and reattachable to your computer, giving it zero chance to fall off and leaving no residue on the surface. Typing on MOFT feels like using a metal stand, undisturbed, laser-focused on what you need to do. Adaptable to a wide variety of environments, fitting all types of MacBooks and colors. This is MOFT, an invisible yet reliable stand for your ergonomic comfort. MOFT.